So in this week's Car of the Week video, we're taking a closer look at the Volkswagen Golf. This particular version is the Volkswagen Golf R, so that's the top of the range. It has an automatic gearbox known by Volkswagen as the DSG gearbox. Now this car has got 292 horsepower, four-wheel drive, and can get you from 0 to 60 in just 4.6 seconds. What we're going to do is hop inside, take a closer look at some of the controls first of all. Okay, so now that we're inside the car, we're going to start off with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer. We also have a digital readout for the speedometer in the middle, although that information can be customized. There's various different things you can put there, from assist systems, navigation information, your audio menus, telephone, vehicle status, and then your lap timer as well. So loads, as I say, of information, and each menu then has various different bits within it. So the driving data menu, for example, you have all of these different fuel economy bits. So really very customizable. Below that, you can see the total miles for the car are 3,703. If we back out to the steering wheel, on the left-hand side, we have cruise control and speed limiter. This vehicle also has the ability to be able to maintain a safe distance between itself and the car in front. Press that button and it'll do that for you. There's a video showing that working on our website and on our Facebook page. And over on the right hand side, we have the buttons I was using just a moment ago, as well as phone controls and stereo controls. In the middle, we have the main stereo itself. So this is all touchscreen. With regards to the radio, you can see we have DAB, FM and AM. If you want to listen to your own music, you can do. There's plenty of ways to do that, and they are all shown there. They include Bluetooth audio, so you can stream your music wirelessly, as well as obviously making and receiving phone calls. That's after you pay your phone, which is done under the phone heading. Satellite navigation is accessed in the top right hand corner here, and there's a full video showing how that works on both our website and our Facebook page. And if I pop the car into reverse, you'll also see we have a full colour reversing camera as well. Working our way down from that, we have dual zone climate control, so you can adjust the passenger and driver temperatures. You can adjust the fan speed in the middle here. You can determine where you'd like the air to be distributed. When you're happy with those settings, the air conditioning is on at the moment, so off, back on again. Or you can hit auto, and the car will take control of the fan speed and the air direction for you in order that it maintains these temperatures. To override it, simply readjust the fans yourself. This car's also got heated driver and passenger seat, both with 3 different heat settings each. If we open up this cubbyhole section and move the gear lever out the way there, you can see we have the USB input and storage inside there. Also highlights the fact that this car is a 4-wheel drive. You have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. This button turns off the parking sensors. And then over this side, you can turn off the traction control. You can turn off the stop and start. This car's designed to cut out when it's stationary to save you fuel. I've just turned that system off. And then this button will change the driving setup of the car from eco to normal, or race, and individual. And under individual, these are all of the things you can customize. So there's a lot you can change about this car to really get it personalized for yourself. Okay, hopefully you found some of that useful with regards to the controls. One thing that we've not shown you yet is the car driving. We're going to take the car for a short drive, and you'll be able to hear the exhaust, for example. Okay, so now that we're out in the car, we're going to take it for a short drive. Nothing crazy, you know, we'll stick to legal speed limits. The road that we're about to turn onto is 40 miles an hour. So we'll accelerate out of here and see what it's got. As you see, it picks up very, very nicely. The exhaust, I don't know how clear that is coming across on there, but it sounds amazing from inside the car. Aside from the performance, it'd be nice to point out the fact that the gearbox is incredibly smooth. The driving position is just wonderful, actually. It's really nicely set up to be a proper driver's car. So what we were doing there was driving in race mode. You can really feel the difference between the modes. If I put the car into its normal mode now, the whole thing feels that bit more docile. The gear changes aren't quite as violent, neither is the acceleration. and which of course is much better for, you know, everyday driving. You know, race mode, as much fun as it is not something you would want to be using on a daily basis, that's for sure. Okay, so now that we're back from that short drive, hopefully you enjoyed what you saw. If you'd like to come and see the car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.